Hello, and welcome to our registration hub. This is the course for 12th grade British literature. This is one of 3 choices that are available for our 12th graders: British literature, multicultural literature, and AP literature and composition. Within British literature, there are several levels of coursework that are available. There are specialty classes, and if you are in one of these specialty classes, you have likely been in a specialty class since you joined us at Parkview High School. There are resource and co-taught courses that are available for students that have a 504 plan, and there are sheltered courses that are available for children based on their access scores. If you are on our college prep track, you'll be covering the same content as our honors and gifted courses, but you'll be covering them at a slower pace and with more support from your teacher. Greater teacher involvement and greater scaffolding will ensure that all-important success your senior year. Gifted and honors courses are also available for British literature. They are taught by gifted certified teachers. Frequently, they're taught by AP certified teachers. These courses are for self-motivated students that have really strong attendance records, and they turn in their work promptly and independently. The goal for all of those courses is to make that final push your senior year towards college and career goals. The writing plan for British literature includes 2 to 3 major papers per semester, including writing instruction in argumentative, informative, narrative, and research essays. There is a memoir writing project, which is written from first person, and it is written in the form of a narrative or an argument. This project is tackled very early in the British literature curriculum because it is intended to help students construct an essay that they can use either for college applications, work applications, or applications within the armed services branches. Your daily writing in all of your classes include creative responses, journals, reflections, and analysis, and they are all based on our Georgia AKS. The reading plan in British literature covers 8 different units. The first unit has the essential question of what makes a hero and what is true chivalry. Then students move to what makes a great leader and what are the ethical consequences of technological advancement. Finally, at the end of first semester, we will cover how does the pursuit of wealth impact us. Moving into second semester, our essential questions are how do societal norms influence behavior? How do we know when something is true? What motifs emerge in British literature? And what happens when people do not trust? We have several resources that are available for our 12th graders because as you have worked so hard in your academic career to this point, the greatest goal that we have is that you walk across that stage at the end of our school year. So your first line of defense is teachers. They are part of the success because they help you, particularly when you advocate for yourself. Get to know your teachers, ask them questions when you don't understand. There are also things like OWL at Purdue or Khan Academy that can help you with very specific language arts issues or questions that might arise. And we have the National English Honor Society, always available to offer tutoring and writing help in their writing lab. We look forward to seeing you next year. Thank you for choosing British literature.